In this video, we will review Uizard, going over the pros, cons, pricing and more. Uizard core strength lies in its speed and AI-driven design automation. You can start with simple text prompts, such as login screens with dashboards and task managers. Within a couple of minutes, Uizard's auto design delivers a polished, multi-screen wired frames that looks professional and clean. Users describe how they created a full app interface in less than 2 minutes, then shared it with a client who responded with "Wow, that was quick and beautiful." The tool also supports Sketch to wireframe conversations and screenshot imports, turning even hand-drawn designs and existing app screenshots into editable, interactive mockups. With built-in real-time collaboration, users can co-edit, comment, preview across multiple devices, and more. The browser-based workflow means no installation is required, and cross-platform compatibility is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. This combination of rapid prototyping, intuitive editing, and teamwork-friendly features make Uizard ideal for entrepreneurs, product managers, and non-design professionals who need visual outputs very fast. Despite its ambition, Uizard has some functional and design limitations that users frequently highlight. One major is the repetition of generic templates. Reddit users report that after a few uses, the design starts to feel formatic or uninspiring. While AutoDesigner handles basic layouts well, more complex or bespoke user workflows often remain manual cleanup or redesigned in other tools just to fix them. Performance can also falter in multi-page or large projects, as rendering is slow and interaction with lag and AI-generated elements sometimes conflict behind the scenes. Another frustration is that it's a lack of developer-friendly exports. Users can export React or CSS for single components only, rather than the whole screen. This will slow off the handoff process and add additional time. Features like undo behavior, the inconsistency, may introduce small disruptors during the editing sessions. These limitations suggest Uizard is optimized for more speed and precision or design control. Uizard offers a tiered pricing structure designed for a variety of users. Its free plan allows for 3 active projects, 10 templates and 3 AI generated per month, enough for experimentation or hobby use. The Pro plan starts at approximately $12 to $20 per creator per month and provides significantly more power. AutoDesigner 2.0 accesses up to 500 AI generations monthly, unlimited public and private projects, full template access, and collaboration with unlimited viewers and commenters. At around $40 per creator per month, the business plan boosts users and unlimited AI generations, faster AI processing, and custom brand kits with unlimited project capacity and priority support. All the plans support browser-based editing and unlimited team viewing seats. While higher tiers unlock advanced features, some users note that the expected billing can be very expensive and costly if you're a smaller firm that may not use all the features. As well as this, it can be confusing as there are no traditional free trials or freemium tiers. Uizard is intentionally designed for non-designers or early adopters alike. Its interface is minimal and clean and largely intuitive, which allows users to get started without any setup or tutorial. Key features like text to UI conversion, sketch scanning, template editing all offer immediate gratification to avoid design complexity or freezing. Editing feels familiar for those who have used tools such as Canva with drag and drop or similar text-based prompts to change the style. Collaboration with your team is seamless. Users can share projects, invite feedback, or co-edit in real time without specialist knowledge. However, advanced users may feel the constraint by the absence of features like detailed layer hierarchy, batch editing, complex prototyping transitioning, and more. Mobile and offline use is supported, but experience low responsive compared to the browser environment. Many onboarding challenging STEM teams from the fact that Uizard is not provided an in-app tour guide, which some users report confusing over the credit usage or auto-renewal settings. In the AI-powered design tool space, Uizard is often compared to tools such as Galileo, Visily, and Polymet. These platforms also convert prompts or sketches into UI components and integrate with Figma or React-based workflows. While Bolt emphasizes developer-friendly exports and trend UI components, Visily focuses more on collaboration via framework. Uizard is unique in its selling point as it blends text-based design generation with other functionality, and its ease of use for beginners is very easy with no traditional tutorial when signing up. Traditional editing platforms such as Adobe XD or Figma offer far more precision, customization layers, or control for developers, but require significant design knowledge and even a lot of time investment if you've never used a tool like that before. Uizard fills the niche of fast prototyping for non-designers or technical expertise, though for complex or highly defined designs may demand integration with Figma or transfer into a more robust design tool that remains common. Overall, Uizard. Uizard is a powerful AI-first design tool that democratizes the creation of prototype processing, enabling anyone to visualize app or web design in a matter of a few minutes. It's especially well suited for rapid MVP mockups, early stage validation, pitch decks, or basic collaboration workflows. The Designer 2.0 engine, combined with sketch and screenshot imports, makes it flexible and fast. However, its limitations in its depth of design and template and screenshot imports makes it repetitive and means it does not replace professional UI tools. It just complements them. Its performance can struggle with multi-screen projects or complex ones, and manual redefinement is often necessary for production-ready use. Users who would want to speed, ease of use, collaboration clarity, whether founders, product owners, or power users, Uizard delivers real-time value. If you prioritize agility over pixel-perfect control, its strong first-step design solution is great for many users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Overall, Uizard. Uizard is a powerful AI-first design tool that democratizes the creation of prototype processing, enabling anyone to visualize app or web design in a matter of a few minutes. It's especially well suited for rapid MVP mockups, early stage validation, pitch decks, or basic collaboration workflows. The Designer 2.0 engine, combined with sketch and screenshot imports, makes it flexible and fast. However, its limitations in its depth of design and template and screenshot imports makes it repetitive and means it does not replace professional UI tools. It just complements them. Its performance can struggle with multi-screen projects or complex ones, and manual redefinement is often necessary for production-ready use. Users who would want to speed, ease of use, collaboration clarity, whether founders, product owners, or power users, Uizard delivers real-time value. If you prioritize agility over pixel-perfect control, its strong first-step design solution is great for many users. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.